So I'm really excited to introduce somebody that's been in the cannabis space, has big legs in the cannabis space, and if you don't already know who he is, his name's Remo, and it's really good.
Man.
It's really good to see you.
Hey, thanks for having me. This is unreal.
You may have been, I think, one of the very first YouTubers that ever got into cannabis, and you stuck your neck out there. And I know you were a medical grower before that, and you know all those things, but you were one of the very first, and that's pretty amazing. Like to be now 5 years into legalization.
Well, I didn't envision it going this way. That's for sure.
No. I mean, pre-legalization.
Yeah.
You were sticking your neck out doing a YouTube channel saying, "Hey, I grow weed and smoke it publicly."
Yeah. Well, you know what? I felt that we needed to get the information out there,
Yeah.
and we need to share this information. And I figured if we shared this with the community and other patients, we could, get more people growing cannabis and growing their own meds. And I seen an opportunity. It was like a platform where you could share with everybody around the world, and you didn't have to be a big studio or a TV station or even big money. What YouTube did was gave opportunities to everybody to make videos of all kinds and share them with the world.
Totally. Also, you and I were in a really interesting time pre-legalization, and it was the Coalition Against Repeal, and that was actually an area that I got to know yourself, Sandra. We worked with Jason Wilcox.
Oh,
John
rest in
Bethel.
peace.
I mean, honestly, that guy. By the way, he was the one that brought the opportunity to me.
Yeah.
He's the one that aligned, and he didn't get the respect that he deserved
No.
or the credit that he deserved, because he changed single-handedly the rights of all medical gardeners to continue growing medically,
Yeah.
specifically to their strain for their pain or whatever. But it was a David and Goliath opportunity, and we all contributed.
If it wasn't for Jason Wilcox, right now how everybody can grow 4 plants at home, that wouldn't be happening.
That wouldn't be happening.
Because
Absolutely.
if it was deemed unsafe for us patients,
Absolutely.
of course the general public would not be able to do that. So
Yeah.
it was an important victory. But it was one of those things that, because it was a patient fight and patients was a very small group, nobody realized it at the time.
Totally.
But it brought people together that would normally not work together.
Yeah.
And it created a bit of a community.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no,
Totally.
It became the fabric of the landscape of a community. You've been at this for how many years?
Oh, geez. I'm a lifer. I've been growing since 18 years old. But I got an apartment actually right in the corner of 104th, and you know where the Wally Road or
Wally
whatever.
Ring Road?
And we had a house close to there, or an apartment close to there, and I grew in that apartment. But then when it came to grow, it became too big for the apartment.
Yeah.
We got a place just off of Grosvenor Road on
Oh,
Selkirk.
yeah,
And that was my first grow house.
That was our hood.
I call it the glory days of growing weed. It was a real adventure. There wasn't much information.
Yeah.
The only winner in this whole legalization thing, it's not the growers. The growers seem to be getting screwed.
The growers are having a tougher time than ever, by the way.
Yeah, but
The pounds in the toilet.
oh, totally. But the government wins here. They shouldn't allow this to be a publicly traded space, because at the beginning they were selling a pipe dream and a lie.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
unfortunately, a lot of people got screwed.
And I didn't meet a criminal until legalization. You hit the nail on the head.
Oh, they're the biggest
guys
bandits.
The guys that came out from the public markets, they were robbers with ties on
Yeah.
and a smile.
Well, unfortunately, a lot of these publicly traded companies now have the idea, like Jeff Bezos, the idea to dominate the market is to crush it and to lose money and undercut everybody for 5 years straight,
Yeah.
and it'll put everybody out of business, and then you can take the whole market.
Yeah.
Well, this is what the big guys are doing right now. We're in the middle of the storm, and right now, tons of people are going broke, especially these micros. That direct delivery program sure helps, because now they're able to get a lot of fresh cannabis, to the
Direct
stores
market.
faster.
Yeah, that's a change in the market that's really been helpful, because, as you and I both know, the original days of what people were offering was literally dry, aged out garbage.
Yeah, fresh is best, and actually the direct delivery program here in BC gives the ability for farmers to get this fresh cannabis into the stores and then into the consumer's hands a lot faster, instead of aging out in a government warehouse. My advice to any BC grower out there, if you're still existing in the legacy market, say best to stay there. I'm serious. The grass is literally not greener at this point on the other side yet.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, I'm being completely honest here with you.
That's appreciated, because I agree with you.
It's unfortunate, but for the ones that are here, I know I'm here and I'm on the other side now, and it's not great, but I'm going to make a go of it.
Where can people find out more about Remo and Remo brands?
Oh, well, there's Remo brands, remonutrients.com,
Yeah.
or you can check out my YouTube videos, Urban Remo on YouTube.
Amazing.
And I think we have the Instagram and Facebook and all that other crap, I'm easy to find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Remo.
Hey, it was awesome. You got to come by and blaze sometime.
But we should go downstairs right now and do it.